Maintenance tips for your mobility scooter. Tip 1. Clean your mobility scooter. Using a wipe or damp cloth, give your scooter a clean to remove any dirt or dust. Tip 2. Check everything is in working order. Step 1. Check battery. Step 2. Check brakes. Step 3. Check lights and indicators. Tip 3. Check the seat and handle positions. Ensure your seat and handle are at the correct height that is comfortable for you. Tip 4. Check your tires. Check your scooter's tire pressure and tread. Tip 5. Check your freewheel lever. For safety, make sure your freewheel lever is in the locked position. Your scooter should not move when turned off. Final tip. Check your charger. Check your charger is charging your mobility scooter. Comment below any other tips you'd recommend.